in this video, we'll be talking about the quality of water ionizers which are available in markets across India and internationally. And one of the most, one of the things that actually a lot of our consumers they complain about is the miscommunication. Like you have a lot of companies in the market selling ionizers now. Some are Korean, some are Chinese coming in, some are Japanese, some are coming in from US, and in all this, and when people say that this ionizer is best, this is giving you this is giving you that, minus 1000 ORP, minus 2000 ORP, and all those things, 11 number of plates. Recently, 2 days back, one of my very good friends from New Delhi, he called me up to inform me that now there is a new ionizer in the market which is offering you around 13 plates. And I was like, 13 plates? I mean, what would you do of so many plates? So today I wanted to clear off this particular doubt about the plates, each and every part of the ionizer, and what are the things that you should be looking at your ionizers when you purchase these machines. And before anything, I'll tell you why these ionizers are so expensive. I'll not call them expensive, but yes, they're a new technology as of now, and they require a considerate amount of investment from your end. So if you remember in 2002, when reverse osmosis systems were launched, I still remember it was a big machine that required an investment of around 22 to 25,000 rupees at that time, approximately 18 years back. And today, if you see, and ionizers are basically starting with a make in India ionizer like ZOS Water. We have put the MRP at 79,599 rupees, which is including of 18% GST. So, but why the difference? What is inside these ionizers that make them premium? What is the reason why they are costing way more than reverse osmosis systems? And what should we do? Especially if you want to buy these ionizers, what are the ifs, what are the pros, what are the cons? Now, see, water ionization, this is still a new topic, for India as a country. This particular product has been popular in Japan, in Korea, in China since a long time. Many Asian countries, and in America, most of the families are using now ionizers. It's pretty much same across Europe as well. In India, this technology is yet picking up, and you may come across a lot of sales people, multi-level marketing agents selling off various kind of machines. But yes, still in India, it's relatively a new market. And see, whenever a new technology is launched, it's always expensive. Why? Because there are no economies of scale. The productions are low, and hence the cost of the machines is high. But slowly, gradually, as the economy grows, as more competition comes in, once you have economies of scale, then the price of these products is bound to come down. And today, I can actually say this on camera on YouTube as well, that within next 10 to 15 years, you'll see the price of these ionizers, make in India ones, will also come down to 20, 25, 30,000 rupees, because we'll be able to achieve economies of scale, with the growing demand. Now, talking about ionizers, the most important thing there is the plate of an ionizer. Now, I have seen products. I'll for example, this product that I'm talking about right now has got the largest plate size which is in the industry, and the plates of these machines are all imported from Japan. Now, if you see, just for an example, if this is a plate, all right, now this is one single plate. Now, what if I have to make this a 2-plate ionizer? Okay, I'll just fold this paper, I'll cut this paper into 2 parts, and now this is a 2-plate ionizer, 1 plate and 2 plate. Now, if I have to make this 4-plate ionizer, I'll just cut this paper again into 4 equal parts, and now this is a 4-plate ionizer. So when it comes to the plate size of your ionizers, always go for the surface area. Our 3-plate ionizers are as good as 5-plate ionizers or perhaps 6-plate ionizers of any XYZ companies. Why? Because we know the surface area of our product, and each and every part is covered under a 7-year warranty. So we are 100% confident on what we are selling right now. Second of all, when it comes to your that the term which is being used in the ionizer industry, solid plates, meshed plates, whatever plates, go for ionizer which is giving you a minimum 5 to 7 year of warranty. And by warranty I mean not just on the plates. See, when you titanium, okay, and when you coat it with platinum, that plate is almost non-destructible. So there is no point of saying that these plates are covered under 7-year warranty or 10-year warranty. Once the plates are done, and if the platinum coating is correct as per the standards, sorry, as per the standards, then there is no point of giving warranty on the plates. Go for an ionizer, go for a brand which is giving you at least 7 years warranty, not just on the plates or on any manufacturing defect, but also on the electrical components. In that way you can be assured that your money is safe and you will be getting the most out of your ionizers. Thirdly, when it comes to the plates of an ionizer, and I've been seeing some ionizers around 35,000 rupees, and when we open up the plates, God, it's not even half, it's actually the 1/3 of the size of, if this is the original plate, what should be in ionizer, the size of that particular ionizer plate was 1/3 of this. So don't be a part of any scam. It's very easy. I mean, just imagine when there are a few companies who are selling ionizers for 1.5 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, suddenly there is a new company which is selling ionizer for 25,000 rupees. Doesn't that ring any bell? And the best part is, you can ask them, if they're manufacturers, they can open the machine and show you the plates as well. I know it's not possible for each and every consumer, but yes, if you're watching this video, always ask for the pictures of the plates. It's an investment for life. I'm telling you, when you buy an ionizer, you buy it with an intent that it's gonna last you for at least 10 to 15 years. So if it's worth an investment, if this is investment of your lifestyle, this is an investment to change your lifestyle, make everyone around you healthy, then I think you should be asking about each and everything of the ionizer, even if it means to the extent that, okay, if you can show me what's inside, show me each and every part on a piece of document, send the email across to me with the number of plates and what is the diameter of plates, with an assurance and all the other things. Because see, ultimately you should get the return out of the money that you're investing in. That's the whole point behind making this video. Power is in your hands. Choose the best, be with the best. Thank you so much. Take care.